Now, in the last video where we modified the table mount, I have a couple updates to that. If you look at the video, you'll see that we had some brown, actually they're called chocolate brown ottomans in there, or bench seats. And I actually ordered the wrong color. It should have been a darker color. And here they are. And these more closely match the seating that's already in the RV. And so we're thrilled about these. And these are called Tanner's Brown. And I'll make sure the link below this actually matches and is not the chocolate brown. Also, I've got, if you noticed in the video, there's these holes, these 1/2-inch holes that I drilled. And so this came in, and I'll be installing those. And this is the little buttons. They snap in a 1/2-inch hole. All right, so that'll do it for today's update. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Share this video if you would, and comment on this video if you would. Comment on any of my videos, because I try to answer each and every one. Thanks a lot, and I hope you have a blessed day.